Yes, Namaste children. Today we will discuss chapter 4, that is division. How to divide. In the last class, I told you the properties of division, and every multiplication fact gives two division facts. That relation between the multiplication and division, relation between the division and subtraction, that addition is also called repeated. That addition means repeated addition is called the what? Multiplication. Here, repeated subtraction is called division. It was discussed. Now you see how to divide a three-digit number by one-digit number. I will show you some examples. Here you see divide 329 by 3. After completing division, you have to check the answer whether our division is correct or not. Okay. Here we write this. Here divide 329 by 3. This 329 is called dividend. This 3 is called divisor. You have to remember. 329. You write both sides of the 329. You draw two bars like this, lines. Okay. Then left side of the dividend, you write the divisor. Here 3 is called divisor. I told you it is divisor, it is dividend. Okay. Then what then while doing division we have to start from highest place. Highest place. Here 1 stands 100 is the highest place. In the hundreds, here how many hundreds here? How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. Then here what is the divisor? 3. Here now you see. How many 3s are there? 1, 3. You recite 3 tables. 3 ones are 3. 1 you write. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 1, how much? 3 ones are 3. You write below this 3. 3 ones are 3. You write 3 and you minus it. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 how much? 0. When always this is called remainder. This number it must be less than the divisor. Must be less than the divisor. ये कभी भी बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. बड़ा होने से एक क्वेश्चन गलत है. Okay. Then after that you down this. What is in tens place 2? Then now you see 2. Is it greater than the divisor? No. 2 we down this 3 from the dividend. After writing this 2 here, we down this 2 from the dividend. After downing this number, after writing this number, you see that this is how much it is now? 2. 2 is less than 3? Yes. When it is less than, देखो ऊपर से डाउन करने के बाद अगर वो नंबर डिवाइजर से छोटा होता है, you put 0 in quotient. You put 0 in quotient. Okay? Here this 2 we got as a reminder? No. We down this 2 from dividend. ऊपर से 2 को नीचे लाया था. एक रिमाइंडर नहीं था. रिमाइंडर क्या था? 0. 0 छोटा था इसलिए ऊपर से लेके आया. ऊपर से लाने के बाद अगर ये नंबर 3 से छोटा होता है, डिवाइजर से छोटा होता है, क्वोशिएंट में 0 रखते हैं. 0 रखने के बाद जो वंस प्लेस नंबर है इसको डाउन करें. Okay. Now what it is? 29. Is it smaller than the divisor? No, it is bigger. Now you recite 3 table. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 27 इससे छोटा है. 3 10s are 30. 30 बड़ा हो रहा है इससे. इसलिए 3 9s you take. 3 into 9 how much? 3 9s are 27. You write 27 and minus. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. It is remainder. Is there any number left in dividend? डिविडेंड में कोई नंबर बचा है क्या? नहीं है. अगर बचने से उसको सीधा नीचे लिखना है. इधर नहीं बचा है तो this 2 is remainder. It is called remainder. What is this? Remainder. This 100 die is quotient. It is quotient. This 3 is divisor. What is this? Divisor. Okay. This is dividend. Remember. 320. Now we have to check our division is correct or not. Now you see dividend. You write this formula. You practice it. In class 3 you have learned dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now you write quotient how much you got? 109 into divisor 3 plus remainder. You can check here. In horizontal you can check direct, otherwise you can write here 109 3 से into करो 3 9s are 27 7 you write 2 carry 3 0 0 plus 2 2 3 1s are 3 ये remainder को अभी plus 2 plus 7 9 2 3. What is this number? 329. What was our dividend? 329. It means our process is right. You understood? Here also, in one more example. Divide 257 by 3. Why dividing? You write 257. Dividend you write. Both sides of the dividend you draw two lines. Divisor you write on left hand side of the dividend. Okay? After writing highest place is 100. In 100 place here how many hundreds? 200. Is it 2 is greater than 3? No. It is smaller. It is smaller. When it is smaller, you move one place ahead. Our place again. What is this number? 25. Now 25 is it bigger than divisor? Yes. You recite 3 table until you reach 25 or nearer to 25. 25 पहुंचना है या 25 का सामने तक जाना है. 25 से आगे नहीं जाना. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 24 is very much near to 25. 8 you write. 3 8s are 3 into 8 24. You write and minus 24. 5 minus 4 1. 2 minus 2 0. ये रिमाइंडर है. 1 छोटा है 3 से. छोटा वाले से क्या करना है? जो नेक्स्ट नंबर है डिविडेंड में उसको डाउन करो. डाउन करने के बाद देखिए ये 17 हो गया. 17 3 से बड़ा या छोटा है? बड़ा. अगर छोटा वाले से इधर 0 रखेंगे. बट ये छोटा तो नहीं है, 0 नहीं रखना है. यहाँ भी देखो हम 0 रखेंगे क्योंकि 2 छोटा था. 2 हमने डिविडेंड से डाउन किया. इधर हम डिविडेंड से कितना डाउन किया? 7 को डाउन किया. 7 डाउन करने के बाद ये कितना हो गया? 17. 17 3 से बड़ा हो गया, इसलिए 0 इधर नहीं रखना है. डोंट पुट 0. 3 टेबल इज साइड. 3 5 are 15. 3 6 are 18. 18 बड़ा हो रहा है इसलिए 5 लेना. 3 5 are 15 minus 7 minus 1 2. Is there any number that? No number. Then it is 1 minus 1 2. It is remainder. Okay? It is remainder. You check it here. Quotient is 85 into 3 plus 2. Here 85 into 3. You check. 3 5s are 15. 1. 3 8 24 plus 1 25. Plus remainder को plus करो. 5 plus 2 7 5 2. Here you see 257. What was our dividend? 257. Both are right. It means our problem is correct. Okay na? Understood? Okay. Then some more examples I will tell you. Just you wait. Yes, children. Now you see that now some other examples I am showing you. Here, say, try to explain that a 4-digit number divided by 1-digit number. Here you see that divide 7,500 592. 592. Okay. Then here, this is a 4-digit number. You write 7,592 first. You draw two lines, both sides of the dividend, because it is called dividend, like this. Then the 7 is called what? Divisor. You write divisor on the left hand side of the dividend. Then always the division should be start. It should be start from the highest place. What is the highest place here? Ones, tens, 100, 1000 is the highest. Here you know how many thousands are here? 7,000. What is the divisor? 7. Both are same. Means you recite 7 table. You recite 7 table to get 7. 7 ones are 7. Means how many 7s here? 1 7. 7 ones are 7. You write 7. Below this 1000 place. And you minus. 7 minus 7, 0. It is 0. You down the number which is left in 100 place. Okay? Then you down this 5. Now what is this here? 5. Earlier 0 was remainder. 0 is smaller than 7. That's why we down this 5. After downing this 5, is it bigger than the divisor? No, 5 is smaller. When it is smaller, in the last example I told you, when the remainder is smaller after downing the number, जब ऊपर से नीचे लाने के बाद अगर ये छोटा है, if it is smaller, you put 0. You understood? Now you down the next number. That is 9. Okay. Now it is, you see, 59. It is smaller than the 7 or bigger? Naturally bigger. 59. You recite 7 table to reach 59 or near to 59. Near to 59. 59 के सामने तक जाओ. आगे नहीं जाना. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 56 is very much near. 8 you write. 7 8s are 56. Minus 9 minus 6 3 here 0. Then it is small. Don't put 0 here. Okay. क्योंकि ये 3 is reminder. 3 is reminder. We didn't down this 3. ये ऊपर से डिविडेंड से नहीं लाया 3. ओके. ऊपर से जब नीचे लाओगे, डिविडेंड से डाउन करके नंबर डाउन करोगे, तब वो छोटा और इससे डिवाइड से 0 लगेगा. Then now you down this 2. 32. Is it bigger than 7? Yes. 7 table you decide. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. ये 32 है. 35 बड़ा हो रहा है. 7 4s. 7 4s are 28. You write. Now you minus. You cannot subtract 8 from 2. 2 will be 12. This 3 will be 2. Okay, you carry here. 12 minus 8. 8 के बाद कौन सा जाओ? 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 4. Then you come to 10 place. How many tens left? 2 tens. 2 minus 2, 0. Is there any number left in the dividend? No. Then it is remainder. You can check here. Then formula dividend. Short form I am taking dividend is equal to quotient Q. First letter is Q. Quotient into divisor D, small letter D, plus remainder R. Okay? Then here you write here. What is quotient here? 1084 plus into divisor is 7 plus remainder 4. But आर्यन इंटू कर सकते हो, बट आपको तकलीफ होता है. इधर देखिए, इंटू करो 7 से 7 4s are 28. 8 you write, 2 carry. 7 8s are 56 plus 58. 58. 8 you have 5 carry. 7 0 7 plus 5 5. 7 0s are 0. 0 plus 5 5. 7 ones are 7. What is the remainder? 4. You write 4 plus 8, 1. 2 you write 1 carry 1 plus 8, 9, 5, 7. You see, what is this number? 7,592. What was our dividend? 7,592. It means our answer is correct. Okay, in this way. Here also you see one more example here. Here 5,708, right? You draw two lines, the divisor you write on that side. Now you see highest place is 1,000. In 1,000, how many thousand here? 5,000. What is the divisor? 6. But 6 is bigger than 5. If 5 say bada, 8 place आगे. What is that? 57. 57 bada है 6 से. Is it bigger? Yes. Then you recite 6 table. 6 tens are 60. ये 60 से छोटा है. Back out. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. Minus 7 minus 4, 3, 5 minus 5, 0. The 3 is smaller. When it is smaller, 3 is a reminder. Okay, remember. छोटा है बोल के जब 0 मत रखो. 3 आपको कैसे मिला? माइनस करने से मिला. आप ऊपर से तो 3 को नहीं लाया. डाउन किया क्या? नो. 7 से 4 minus करने से 3 मिला. That's why you don't put 0 here. You understand? 3 छोटा है. अब ये 0 को डाउन कर. Now it becomes 30. 30 is bigger than 6. 6 5s are 30. 0. Here 0 is reminder. छोटा है बोल के 0 नहीं रखना है क्योंकि ये माइनस करने से मिला है. ये 8 को डाउन कर. Now 8 is bigger. बिगर वन से 0 नहीं रखना है. समझ रहे हो ना? डाउन करने से 0 रखेंगे कब? अगर ये छोटा है डिवाइजर से. बट 8 is now bigger. Don't put 0. 6 table करो. 6 ones are 6. Minus 8 minus 6. Is there nothing is left? It is remainder. You write some form R remainder. It is quotient. It is divisor. You check it here. Rule is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. What is quotient here? 951. 951 into what is the divisor? 6 into 6 ones are 6. 6 5s are 30. 0 3 carry. 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57 plus what is the remainder? Remainder is what? 2. Right. Plus 6 plus 2, 8, 0, 7, 5. What is the dividend here? 5,708. What was our dividend? 5,708. Both are correct. It means our process is right. In this way, you try to finish the problems which are in the chapter 4. Okay, the next, the problems, there are word problems and some other problems are left. Okay, those problems tomorrow we will discuss. I will send you video. But I am sending every day video, but some of you are not doing. If you are not doing it, you will be in trouble. Okay, try to finish all the problems. Okay, na? Then already one period test, it was over. The next, I think you may have your half-yearly exam also. Okay, that's why you try to do all the problems. While solving the problems, if you face any difficulty, you take the help of your elders, brothers and sisters, and father and mother. If it is not possible, then you call me. I will try to explain you. Okay, no? Thank you.